The High Court in Johannesburg has postponed proceedings in the high-profile case involving crime boss and businessman Vusimuzi Madlala and his co-accused following further delays in the matter. Madlala, along with Musa Kekana, Diego Floyd Mabusela, his wife Tsakani Madlala and Mabusela's daughter Thabiseng Dzama appeared briefly in court on Monday before the case was adjourned to Wednesday, June 17, 2026. Dzama was absent from court during Monday's proceedings. The accused face a total of 25 charges, including 11 counts of attempted murder linked to 3 separate shooting incidents allegedly carried out between August 2022 and January 2024. According to the state, the group is accused of orchestrating targeted shootings, laundering money connected to the alleged conspiracy, and using a fraudulent invoice to disguise the origin of funds and mislead investigators. Madlala also faces additional charges relating to an alleged failed assassination attempt on his former girlfriend, Tebogo Tshebejane, as well as separate shootings involving taxi boss Joe Sibanyoni and DJ Vetsis Makubong. Monday's proceedings were slowed by a series of legal delays, prompting acting Judge William Karam to postpone the matter mid-proceedings. The judge also granted the legal team of accused one leave to withdraw from the case, noting that a new attorney will be provided with additional evidence material, including memory sticks supplied by the state, to ensure full access to the defense record. In relation to accused Chu Mabusela, the court directed that his J7 form be updated to ensure he receives urgent medical attention for eye-related health concerns. The court further ruled that accused 1, 2, and 3 remain in custody. Accused 4, Tsakani Madlala, remains out on bail, which was extended with a warning to appear at the next sitting. Meanwhile, the NPA spokesperson in Gauteng, Bahlatlole, previously confirmed that the trial is scheduled to begin on June 20, 2026, with the state maintaining it is fully prepared to proceed. Dzama is expected to make further representations to the Office of the National Director of Public Prosecutions after earlier submissions were declined by the Director of the Public Prosecutions. Despite the latest postponement, prosecutors insist the matter is trial-ready as the court edges closer to start of what is expected to be lengthy and closely watched hearing. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.